hear from Miss Adams, followed by Alex Zimmerman and Lee Zimmerer.
Hi, my name is Miss Adams, and I have a public health and human services issue, and I was here 3 years ago with the same issue. Since 2008, I have been battling that out with the systemic social constructs, which contributed to my chronic unemployment and chronic homelessness. Certain organizations such as Washington Low Income Housing Institute, Poverty Action Network, and Solid Ground need to have their government funds suspended because they are not helping the people. They did not help me. No one from these organizations gave me an apartment to live in or a job. The only thing that they gave me was a ride to Olympia during legislative session to speak out and to tell my story, and a free sack lunch. For the record, I am employable. I do not have a criminal record. I do not have any mental health or substance abuse issues. I do have a valid Washington State driver's license. I have a graduate school education. So what is King County Council going to do about this? How are you going to help a citizen of your community that's been crying out for years and years about the systems of being in shelters on 3rd Avenue of Seattle and having to be deprived? And that's supposed to be an entitlement. I'm an American citizen. I have family members who are veterans, 4 brothers, and a father who's deceased, and I should be getting a piece of this American pie. Thank you.
Thank you. Alex Zimmerman, followed by Leah Zimmerer and Wayne Perryman.
My name is Alex Zimmerman, and I represent Stand Up America. God bless America, because when we have government like this, 9 crook who sit in this chair, and for 8 years we have a collapse right now, we're falling and falling and falling. So situation very simple right now. These crooks is a mafia who totally ignore Constitution, freedom of speech, what is we have for 200 years. 200 years we have a freedom of speech, right be a citizen and happiness. So, country council have 300 meetings per year and never open this meeting to public. We cannot speak about accountability. We cannot speak about $8 billion per year. What is this crook take from us, and we not have a chance speak about every penny. All city have this right. Every city have from 3 to 5 minutes. This crook never give us a chance. Never give a chance speak about $8 billion. $8 billion for last year, every year. Don Constantine, for example, who counsel in this position for many years, like many crook who in this chamber sit for many years, for 4 years never have one Q&A. Operate with $32 billion, and we cannot do in this. So, 300 meetings per year, what is have council, and never open to public. In Seattle, in Bellevue, everywhere we can speak about every problem, every council meeting. Here, we cannot do in this. This mafia control us. Is this mafia not simple? Because bring up pure fascism, what is have 3 points, what is very unique only for American fascism. It's a mafia, Nazi, Gestapo principle. It's exactly what has happened. This we have constitution for 200 years. So I speak right now to everybody who listen to me, to listen to Stand Up America, Stand Down people, Stand Down American. We need changes. We need move this crook out from this business totally.
Thank you, sir.
Stand Up America.
Thank you, sir.